Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a store on Shopify.com. The platform e-commerce is built on. Millions of the world's most successful brands trust Shopify to sell, ship, process payments anywhere. You can put your email address and start for free. But before we do that, I want to show you what Shopify is about. Bring your business online. Create an e-commerce website backed by powerful tools that help you find customers, drive sales, and manage your day-to-day. And there's a lot of examples that are available. You can take the best path forward. You can start an online business, create a business whether you got a fresh idea or you're looking for a new way to make money. You can move your business online, turn your retail store into an online store and keep serving customers without missing a beat. You can switch to Shopify and bring your business Shopify no matter which e-commerce platform you're currently using, and hire a Shopify expert and get it set up with the help of a trusted freelancer or agency from a Shopify expert marketplace. And Shopify is with you wherever you go. One platform with all the e-commerce and point of sale features, and you need to start, run, and grow your business. You can sell from everywhere and you can market your business instantly. And obviously you can manage anything and everything with their insights. There are powerful analytics that are available that are showing you exactly how you can scale your business, how you can make your productivity increase, how you can work on your efficiency. They're empowering independent business owners everywhere. Millions of businesses in 175 countries around the world have made over $200 billion in sales using Shopify, and you can be one of them. So without further ado, let me show you exactly how to start your free trial and set up your store on Shopify. We'll start with start free trial, and when you click on it, it's going to ask you for your email address and your password. Now, this is the dashboard for our store. You can add your products, you can customize your themes, you can add pages, organize navigation, add a domain. On the left-hand side corner, you have your home, your order, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discounts, and your apps. Let me show you exactly how you can add pages and actually view your online store. So we're going to view the store right now. And this is what our store actually looks like right now. There's no theme whatsoever. There's nothing that we want to do. So we're going to go back and we're going to add a theme. Now, how to add a theme, you'll go to customize theme and then you'll say customize theme. And when you hit customize theme, there's a lot of different themes that are available that you can select from. So now this is our customized theme. Obviously, we can get free theme as well. We can customize it as well. So we're going to go for explore free themes. When we go to explore free themes and I scroll down, there's different options that are available for us to select from. So let's select one particular option that we like. And I feel this one looks really great. So let's select this one. And obviously, we'll add this theme to our library. And once it goes into the library, we'll have a chance to actually select it. Now we have our particular theme that's available. The theme is being installed right now. And once it gets installed, we'll be able to use it. Now the theme has been installed. So we have two options, customizing or action. With the action, you can edit the code, you can preview it, you can rename it, and you can download the theme file. So basically we're going to preview it right now. And when we preview it, we'll see what the theme actually looks like. So this is the theme that we have. And obviously there's information that needs to be added onto it, which will show you how you can add this information. So we're going to go to customize. When we click on customize, it will take us to the editors. Over here, you'll be able to customize your store. We can change the heading. So we're going to change the heading, or you go on select the heading and then we will put whatever we want. We will say, we'll change the heading to 10 tech. Now we're going to change the text after selecting it. So we're going to put the best technology available. Now we want to add different pictures, which we can easily do by clicking on the image on the left hand side. When we select it on the right hand side, we can select the image. When we go to select the image, there's a lot of images available which are for free. You can search for them as well, or you can check them if you want to. So let's search technology. Now there are a lot of options available. So let's select a picture. I think this picture looks quite nice. When we select it, it'll be automatically uploaded for us. And then you have two other pictures that you need to select from. Then we'll select the second picture. And when you select the second picture, obviously you want your website to look attractive. You want people to actually come to the website and actually search on the website. And that is one of the major factors that you have to keep in mind when you're developing a store on Shopify. It gives you the flexibility to do what you want and how you want to do it. It's a very simple way to use, and selecting things and maneuvering things and developing things is a simple way. Now we're going to put the third picture picture. And obviously with the 3 pictures, you can see our website is coming to life, our store is coming to life. And obviously having all these elements together, we'll be able to scale our business. There's hundreds and thousands of businesses right now that do not have a Shopify account, that are not available online. And by using Shopify, they can easily bring their presence online. And it is so easy to customize. As you can see, following my video step by step, you'll be able to develop a particular Shopify account for yourself instantly. There's different columns that are available that you can actually customize. And this is the level of abilities that Shopify gives their individual users to show them that how simple it is to actually customize and develop your online presence. So let's delete this particular area. When we select on it, we're going to take all this information out. We select all of it and it's gone. We want to delete this particular thing as well that says shop, and it's gone. Now this whole section is deleted from here. It is as simple as that, guys. You can move the column up and down if you want. So basically you can hide the section as well. When you click on this, the whole section is going to be hidden. And that is literally the beauty of using Shopify to develop an online store for yourself. Now we want to add some different elements as well. Let us scroll down and hide all these columns that are available that we won't be using. But now we want to add a product. But in order to add a product, we have to save, and then we have to go back to our dashboard. Once we go back to our dashboard, you'll have the option of adding a product. I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. We'll go to the product where it says product on the left-hand side. Then you have an option of adding your product. When we add a product, it'll give you a breakdown of different elements that need to be added. For example, the title of your product, the description of the product, if there's any media that you want to add, any pictures that you want to add, the price you want it to be, the compare price you want it to be, the cost per item there is, how much inventory you tend to have, and what is the barcode for it, and what is the location for it, and what shipping methodology you're going to be using, and what the weight for it, and what's the custom information that you need to put. All these elements are going to be different for your product, and you can easily add multiple products online on your Shopify store by doing this. You can have your product organizational information, your vendor information, your collection, and different tags as well. And you can actually put an online store for it like we're doing right now. It is as simple, as straightforward as that, guys. If you don't have any inventory and you're doing only a simple drop shipping methodology, then you have to add an app which will actually help you grab different articles, different products that are available on AliExpress or Amazon. For example, Dseller AliExpress dropshipping is available. It's a very simple methodology you use. You have to download the app, and when you click on it, it'll take you to the next page where you can download it. Now you have to add the app. You have a 14-day free trial, which is a free plan that's available. We'll add the app. Once you add the app, it'll give you the opportunity to fetch information from AliExpress and bring it into your own account, and then you will start drop shipping. It is as simple as that. Just install the app now. Once the app is installed, you will be able to see it on your dashboard. Now you can clearly see our app is available. You click on the app and then you'll go to the AliExpress dropping ship, and you can grab any product that you want. If you need more information in regards to AliExpress drop shipping or how to use drop shipping for Shopify, you can always come to our channel and check our video out in detail. So basically, on the left hand side corner, a lot of people get confused. When you click on order, you'll have different elements of how many orders are available, if you want to accept payments from them as well, and what select plan that you want to have. So you have different products, inventory, transfers, collection, and the gift cards that are available. If you want to go and check the customers out, when you click on customers, you have everything customer related in one single place, and you can add a customer or you can import a customer as well at the same time. And the best thing I love about Shopify is their analytics. Having this particular analytics from sales, online store sessions, returning customers, and conversion rates, average order value, total order value, the units that are sold. There's so many options that are available, and having all these analytics, it will help businesses. It will help your businesses and businesses worldwide to have the information they require to actually increase their productivity, increase their efficiency, and effectively serve their customer base. You have different reports that are available that you can actually download and you can take out, and you can go over, analyze, and actually get better information about your business. You also have a live view that are showing exactly what visitors are available, where they're available from, and what they're doing once they come to your website. It is a beautiful interface that they develop, and they made it very easy for everyone worldwide to use this platform and use Shopify for their online business and scale their business to new heights that their business have never seen before. You also have a chance for marketing. Marketing is a very strong tool with Shopify, and they've made it very easy to use. You have different apps that are available from Shop, from Google, Pinterest, Snapchat ads, and Microsoft. And these are all the different apps that are available that you can actually use for yourself and actually scale your business and bring more individuals to your stores. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always comment in the comment section below and we will definitely get back to you. If you need to go over the video step by step to understand how to create a Shopify account, you can do that. And guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out about how to create a store on Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.